Meaning of fantastic.
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 Fantastic. Fantastic is an adjective meaning excellent or impressive. It is often used to describe things that are beyond ordinary or surpass expectations. When something is fantastic, it creates a feeling of amazement or excitement in the person experiencing it. This can apply to anything from a work of art or a performance, to a meal or a vacation destination. In short, fantastic suggests an overwhelmingly positive experience that leaves a lasting impression and brings joy or wonder to those involved.